Hey, what's up guys? Houston here. And if you're trying to get at least $50,000 in business credit, personal credit, Houston is going to show you how to do that. And you don't need a Dun & Bradstreet number. You don't need a Paydex score, or nor do you need to spend money on Net 30 accounts. So check this out. In the video, we're talking about how to leverage Amazon Credit Builder program to build business credit and personal credit. So one of the things that's going to happen is getting into the Amazon credit program. How do you do it? Well, the best way to do it is you apply for a store card. Now check this out. If you don't have no credit or your credit score is lower than a 640, you're more likely going to get denied this Amazon store credit card. But that's okay, because what's going to happen, they're going to offer you an Amazon secured card, right? So that's the Amazon Credit Builder card. But that's okay, because what I'm going to show you is definitely going to help you and going to be able to leverage this. Now, with the Amazon secured credit builder card, what happens is that you have to at least put $100 on it. Well, you're trying to build business credit anyway, and you've been paying money for net 30s. It's like, okay, why am I continuing to buy stuff that I don't need? Well, this way, you're no longer buying net 30s. You're taking that money that you're going to buy net 30s or net 15s with, or term credit with. You're going to take that money and put it on your Amazon secured card. Now, we're going to get to stacking here, so pay attention. With the Amazon secured card, they want you to make payments at least 7 times. So 7 months, they want you to be paying on this card. And what happens is it's going to automatically turn into the Amazon store card. And you're like, okay, Houston, where's the $50,000 coming from? Now check it out. Stick with me. Now, while you're using the Amazon secured card, you use the 3-way funding system to repair your personal credit, as well as set up the corporation. That's right. I want you to set up a corporation using the 3-way funding system, because we actually give you the personal credit program, as well as some consultation on how to restore your personal credit. So you're not losing here. So stick with me if you want that $50,000. Now, okay, so you tried to get the Amazon store card. You got denied because you was a 640. Okay, so you got the Amazon secured card. You're in their system. That's what you want. You want to get into their system. Now that you're in their system with the Amazon secured card, after 7 monthly payments, then it turns into the Amazon store card. Within 7 months, guess what? Using the 3-way funding system, you should be back at a 680. Once you get there, you home free. You're home free, because what happens is you're already in Amazon's system, right? So now you're at a 680. In order to get the Amazon's Visa credit card, and it's a partner card with Amazon and with Chase. To get that Amazon Prime Visa credit card, you have to have at least a 680. So now you're getting ready to stack. So you apply for the Amazon Visa Prime card. With the 680, you get approved. The next card you're going to go after is the Amazon Amex, right? So you're still on the Amazon platform. You haven't went nowhere. But what happened is, since Amazon is a co-partner with Chase and Amazon is a co-partner with American Express, see, you're in their system as well, right? So now you're going to be able to work their systems. But before you start working their system, what you're going to do, next thing you're going to do is you're going to apply for the Amazon Business Credit Card. And then after you apply and get approved for the Amazon Business Credit Card, remember, you're already in their system. You're already using their products. So again, you're not worried about a Dun & Bradstreet file. You're not worried about net 30s. You're not worried about a Paydex score. This is what I mean about playing the game smart, and that way you're winning, because this will get you to that $50,000 in funding, even if you started with bad credit. Now that you have the Amazon Business Credit Card, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to go for the Amazon Business Line of Credit. So now you have all of the Amazon products, right? You started with the secured credit card, the Amazon secured Credit Builder credit card. Then you went from the Amazon Secured Credit Builder credit card to the Amazon Store card. Then you got the Amazon Visa card, which is partnered with Chase. So now you're in Chase system. Then you went to the Amazon Amex. Remember, you're still using their platform. And because you're using their platform, Amazon knows who you are. You're more likely going to get approved when you set the corporation to apply for the Amazon Business Credit Card. And then after you apply for the Amazon Business Credit Card, you apply for that Amazon Business Line of Credit. So now, again, you already have all the products of Amazon. Amazon loves you because they know that you're a product holder of theirs and you utilize their products. Now, like I said, you're in Chase's banking system and you're in American Express banking system. You can apply for the another Chase personal credit card once you get to this level, as well as a Chase business credit card because you're already in their system, right? So you're stacking. This is what I'm telling you to change the game for you. Now you're in Chase system. Now you done got the Amazon Visa, which is with Chase. Now you have a regular Chase personal credit card and the Chase business credit card. You do the same for Amex. You get the Amex, the Amazon Amex. Then you get the Amex regular credit card. Then you get the Amex business credit card. So now you have all of this in your system. You didn't spend not one dime on net 30s, Dun & Bradstreet, or worried about a paydex score. This is how you build $50,000 in business credit and personal credit funding. This is a strategy nobody's talked about. If you ever hear somebody talk about this, they obviously have seen my information, or they decided to tell you about it because I said something about it. But I promise you, you can search all of the internet. Nobody's talking about this. They're talking about getting one or the other, but they're never talking about how to leverage this to actually get you to the $50,000 level. And I'll tell you this, by you using this system and using the strategy and a three-way funding system, by clicking the link below, now you're not waiting a year, 2 years for net 30s to report, then getting gas cards, and then hopefully get a store card, then hopefully get a credit card. You're not doing all of that. You're just using one simple system, not paying money for net 30s you don't need. You're investing the money into building up your credit and letting the personal credit build everything else. And again, you're either starting with no credit, or you're going to start with credit score that's less than a 640. So if you want to learn more and you're serious about restoring your personal credit and building business credit, click the link below and check out the three-way funding program. Thank you.